If you look at different age group of people, can you mention like what kind of emotions are predominant in that age group? Like let's say up to 25 years. What do you think are the emotions which are like very much predominant in those people, and what kind of problems they are going through? And then maybe 25 to maybe let's say 45, and then 45 and above in 3 age groups.
So, if I look at the age group till 25, that is a very energetic age, and they have problems related to, those boyfriend girlfriend problems. That is the most predominant that I have been seeing till now.
True.
And it is so strong that even suicides are committed to that level.
Yeah.
That is one thing, and rest, that definitely, if they are into dysfunctional families, the fights between parents, the children have to, at the younger age, they have to start working so that they can earn, they can support their family. So those kind of things are there till the age of 25. After 25 and 30 to say 45, it's all about again now relationships.
Okay.
Relationships play a very, very strong role in everyone's life, because after that, a lot of changes come in the lives.
True.
So many changes are there, and you have to look after your job, you have to look after the family, you have to look after your kids, then the schooling, and life just explodes after that.
Right.
So then it becomes the emotions that are again there is more that how to manage. The work-life balance is very tough at that particular age. So work-life balance, taking care of the family, all of these things are predominant in that particular age group.
And what challenges, like problems, health problems, do you find mostly in that age group because of those?
So there the people start with all those problems, especially related to the bones.
Okay.
Then they will have these throat problems, thyroid problems. In females, I've seen they will have these PCOD problems, all the problems related to the sexual organs. They will have a lot of problems there. And this is how the struggle actually goes on.
Lifestyle disease?
Yes, lifestyle diseases are there. Somebody will start to have BP. I've seen people having fibromyalgia, asthma, all these things start to, develop. Insomnia. These things start to develop in.
And people from, let's say, 45 age plus, what do you think their emotional baggages are?
People 45 ages plus, their emotional baggages are not very different from these age groups. But yes, the disease is stronger in them. The pain is stronger in them, because it has developed after so many years.
Yeah, because of these many
years. So the things are really strong, whatever comes up in them. I have seen people having fibromyalgia as well, and yet people are not ready to address it. Chal raha hai, chalne do, it's okay.
So on these lines only, where you said chal raha hai to chalne do, why people are so reluctant, or why people generally say these lines that I don't have, let's say, time, money and effort to actually focus on this inner work or these things? Why is that? And what is your message to those people who says that I'm too busy to actually work on it?
So people, they use this because again it is very hard to feel your emotions. And if you ask them, first thing, they don't expect that emotions have something inside the body. They don't expect this at all.
That is the first stage, let's say, ignorance.
It's an ignorance. It's a shock to them. And once they do EFT, it comes as a shock that what is this?
Okay.
Can this also happen? Is this magic? What are you trying to do? How are you saying? And the basic thing that they find is it is actually happening in their body. Because finally, once they do the session, they realize they are feeling so relaxed, so calm. So they realize, yes, stress was holding too much in them. It was taking away their peace. It was taking away their joy. And they were just using all the energy to suppress it.
Right.
Instead of suppressing all that energy, if they would have used that energy, to feel good about themselves, to feel focused, to feel resourceful, to feel empowered, that energy could have been used in that manner.
Right.
But they used it to suppress their own emotions. So all these things is something which people don't want to acknowledge.
True.
What they want to do is blaming others is easy.
Right.
So go to the doctor, medicine liya, it is not working, it's the doctor's fault. They don't want to take things in their own hands, that they don't want to feel that empowered. I can do it myself, because it is going to take time.
Right.
And effort. and maybe if they need help, they will also require money, so they don't want to do it.